Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to another tutorial on how to use the Muslim Events platform. Today, inshallah, I'm going to show you how to create a fundraising dinner event utilizing some of the more advanced features like bulk discount tickets, donation tickets, as well as the donation feature. Inshallah. Let's begin. The first thing we need to do after we've logged in, of course, is to select the create event option. Event is selected by default. We're going to choose a name. Let's call this Palestine Fundraiser for Gaza. And what kind of an event is this? This is a dinner. What category is this? Charity and causes. Select subcategory. Look at that. For Gaza. Hashtags. Let's create some hashtags here. Fundraising dinner. I think that's enough. Okay, let's choose a venue. Let's do Masjid at Taqwa in Brooklyn, New York. City is, of course, Brooklyn. Wondering if we should just, yeah, I think that should be fine. Date and time. This should be. Let's move it back a little bit to December. 6 o'clock. And let's begin. All right. So we've created the basic details. Now let's do some of the more advanced features. Okay, let's create a banner for the event. So I've got here a sample image. There you go, looks good. Fundraising dinner. Summary. This is going to be a fundraiser to help the victims of the genocide in Gaza. Free Palestine from the river to the sea. Amin. Description. Again, we can put anything you want over here. Just for now, just a fundraising event with guest speakers to raise funds for the victims of the genocide in Gaza. I'm not going to create an agenda for this event. I've actually done this in other tutorials, so feel free. It's very straightforward, so I don't see the need to do it again. So I'm just going to go ahead and select Update. Look at that. Great. Now comes the fun part. Tickets. Okay. Now, we need to create multiple ticket types over here. So first off, let's do a general, ticket. We're gonna set fundraiser at $20. Okay. We're not going to set any ticket limits over here. Tickets for, all dates is fine. Okay, and so there's a general ticket. Boom, $20. Okay. Now we're going to add a group ticket. Okay, so we have a single ticket, a group ticket. We'll just call it. We're going to table. Places per ticket. First of all, we're gonna say 5. Increase it to 5. Since we're charging $20 for a singular ticket, we're gonna give a discount. So we're gonna give people a table for $80. Buy 5, get 1 free kind of thing. Okay. Since there's only one type of ticket, general, we only need. It's already selected by default. We're good. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and create that. Now, what else can we do? Let's go ahead and let's do a donation ticket. We don't see donation in the list here, so what are we gonna do? We'll select other. Call this donation. Is this a donation ticket? Absolutely. Suggested price. This can be anything you want. We want to encourage people to come. Okay, so a suggested donation, of course, now the standard ticket is $20, but if someone cannot afford to come, but they still want to attend, but just, maybe, they're struggling or whatever, we want to encourage, contributions and participation. Let's make it a suggested donation of $10. Okay. Now, we want to set a ticket limit. Yeah, why not? Let's say 5 for now. Tickets for all dates. And let's create. Okay. Donation tickets. Okay. And that's it for now. Now, we also have an option to donate as well. So let's choose donation here. Enable donation. Call it donation. Please feel free to contribute generously and anonymously for a worthy cause. Jazakallah khair. Okay. And let's go to publish. Send a request for publish. Okay. Now, what's going to happen is the administrator, who would be me, will receive a notification that an event has been submitted for approval. Okay. So this will just take a minute. Almost done. Okay. And here we are. Here's our event. Look at that. Select. Wonderful image. all the details about this event, etc. Go to tickets. Okay, so we see the general ticket option, $20. We have a donation ticket, which has a suggested donation of $10. Okay. This is a donation ticket. You can choose the amount you wish with a suggested amount of $10. Thank you for your contribution. Of course, we also have a table that you can purchase. Okay. $80, but you get 5 spots. Okay. Instead of, 4, which would be the cost of buying 4 individual tickets. You get 5, so that's what it is. And of course, you can make an anonymous donation as well. So let's go through this one at a time. We can buy 1 ticket. It's $20. A donation ticket. Now, remember what I said. It's a suggested donation, which means you can actually, pay even less. So if you want, you can do like just $5. Okay. And there you go. See? The suggested donation is just that, a suggestion. If you choose a table, okay, that's $80, but you get 5 tickets with that. Donation ticket, let's say we're feeling generous, you can go ahead and submit your donation amount, $100, and there you go. So total amount here is $100 for the donation, $80 for the table, $5 as a suggested donation for a walk-in ticket, and of course the standard $20 ticket that we went ahead and purchased. Now, of course, I'm not going to go ahead and book it because obviously we're not going to actually buy it, but that is the whole process of selecting a donation ticket, choosing a table, as well as a donation option here for the event. Jazakallah khair for your time. Thank you so much for your patience and for your interest. Look forward to seeing you on our platform. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.